Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to fix WhatsApp can't send this media, choose a different media, and try again later issue on your device. In order to fix this kind of error, what you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guided. Now, if you're unable to send medias and files on WhatsApp, what you can do is, in order to fix it, so first of all, what you can do is you can check for an internet connection. If you have an unstable or if you're not connected to an internet service, then this kind of issues occur. So for that, you need to go to your device's settings, and after that click on network and internet, check whether you're connected to a Wi-Fi service or not. After you get connected, you might be able to fix the issue. However, you're still unable to fix it, then apart from that, you can also check for an update. Sometimes just by updating your application, it might be able to solve your issue. So in order to update your application, go to your Play Store and then on the search box type in WhatsApp, and instead of open you see update. That indicates you need to update the application, and updating the application might be able to fix the issue. If none of these seems to be working, then you can also clear cache as well as data. For that, you need to long press on your WhatsApp application, go to this app info icon and go to storage and cache. Right over here, click on clear cache as well as clear storage. Now, keeping this in mind that clearing your storage will delete all of your data, and make sure that you've already synced all of your data or stored somewhere, you can just tap on clear storage. You can also sometimes check your permission, as if you have disabled such as camera, files and medias, or any other options, microphone and all that, it might be one of the major issues. So make sure that you've enabled or allowed all of these features, and this might be able to solve your issue. Apart from that, if you're still unable to fix it, then sometimes the media might have an issue with it, and it might not be an issue with the application or the device. So you need to check the media and try sending out the media whether you can do it or not, and then you'll be notified what is actually the problem. However, sometimes the issue might not be on the application or on the media itself, but it might be an issue with the device itself. So what you need to do is you need to uninstall the application. So to uninstall the application, long press on your WhatsApp and then go to app info page, click on uninstall and then uninstall the application. Restart your device. That might be able to solve your issue all at once. This is how you can fix can't send this media, choose a different media and try again issue on your WhatsApp application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.